Hey everyone, Technometry with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 10 in a few different ways. So let's get started. First method we're going to use is buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. In order to restart it, we're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. And it's going to pop up to slide to power off, but you do not need to touch that. Keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear. At that time you can let go of that side button. As you can see here, it's still black and then the Apple logo appear. I let go of that side button. Now this method, if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes a few tries before you can get the sequence correct. Make sure you press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down before holding on to this side button, and it will go ahead and restart your iPhone 10. It does take a little bit of time, and once you're back on, it should work for you. Now, another method is using Siri. If you have Siri enabled, by simply issuing the command to your iPhone, such as, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And basically, once you issue the command, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone," it will ask you to confirm. Just simply say yes. And Siri can also take that command and go ahead and restart your iPhone in case the buttons are not working. Now, both of these methods are completely safe. It will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will be fine on your iPhone. You do not need to worry about anything, and it will hopefully fix any issues that you're having or simply make your iPhone will run like new again. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.